So, you're looking for a new website so you can book more jobs or appointments. This should be easy, right? But wait, there are a million web design companies out there. Which one is the right agency to choose from? They all seem to make the same offer. Contact us for a free quote. But wait a minute. You're taking a huge risk when hiring a web design firm. You have no idea what their design will be like, or what it's even like to work with them unless you sign a contract and hand over a hefty deposit. We understand the risk you're taking when hiring a web design firm. That's why we want to make you an offer you can't refuse. We will make a free mock-up of your new website homepage so you can see it online before ever paying us one dime. Here's how it works. Step 1. Click the Get Started link and fill out the contact form, telling us about your business, like where it's located, the phone, and what products or services you provide. Click the Upload file to share any pictures or logos you'd like to see on the site. Tell us the different colors you like or don't like, then pick the best day and time on the schedule so we can go over everything with you. Step 2. With the information you provide us, we'll build your business a great website in 3 days or less. So when you receive your demo site, it'll nearly be complete, just leaving you to make the final touches. Step 3. Once you approve the design and submit payment, we will make any changes, add content, complete your site, connect your domain, and publish your site for the world to see. It's that simple. Why wait? Schedule your free demo now by clicking the Get Started button or visiting us at mywikidesign.com.